Hello, in this video we will cover concept of Phillips curve for both short run and long run period. A.W. Phillips has made his study of wage behavior in UK for time period from 1861 to 1857. So for about 100 years period, he has made a study of what are his findings. He found that there is a inverse relationship between unemployment rate and money wages, which are rising. That means wages when rise, it will contribute to inflation, which we call as wage inflation. So rise in money wages will be contributing to wage inflation, and the other variable is unemployment. He found out, and he has published his study in 1958, which is based on real life data of UK. He found out that there is trade-off between these two variables. Trade-off means when you try to attain one objective, you will sacrifice with the other. Both things you cannot attain at the same time. There is trade-off. That means if you try to control inflation, you will not be able to control unemployment rate. If you try to reduce unemployment, inflation rates will go up. That is his conclusion. So he said that nation could buy lower unemployment only if they are willing to compromise with their price stability objective. That means they have to accept inflation problem in the economy. Inverse relation that we were talking about, there is inverse relation. This is Phillips curve, we say, for short run period. So inflation and unemployment rate, we are saying there is inverse relation. If we are at some point like A, where maybe U1 is unemployment rate and P1 is inflation rate. With this, if unemployment rate is considered as too high, if they want to reduce unemployment, that means you have to be on curve. If I reach point B, my unemployment rate has actually declined. See, as near I go to zero, unemployment rate is declining. If I attain zero, that means I have attained full employment. But ये ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है कर्व में, आप देखिए ये ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं है. But when I touch point B, my inflation rate went up. Inflation rate went up, right? So unemployment rate कम हुआ, inflation rate बढ़ गया. If government will follow some policy steps, they will take by which they are able to reduce unemployment rate, then they will have to sacrifice with inflation. This is the conclusion. However, this is valid for short run. Okay, what we are talking about is inverse relation between these two variables. But this conclusion is valid only for short run. Similarly, if I try to control price rise, I will come near to zero. But then in that case, my unemployment rate will go high. तो मूवमेंट मेरा अपोजिट होगा P2 से P1. तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट U2 से U1 हो जाएगा, बढ़ जाएगा. So any one objective you can attain. Either you can control price rise or unemployment rate in short run. Both objectives cannot be attained in short run period. Long run Phillips curve consider कर रहे हैं हम. We are saying long run Phillips curve is vertical straight line curve. ये पहला फिलिप्स कर्व है जो अभी हम कर रहे थे. तो वी सेड कि हमने मूवमेंट किया पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी. इन्फ्लेशन रेट फॉर पीरियड 1. बी मीन्स आई रीच टू इन्फ्लेशन फॉर पीरियड 2. इन्फ्लेशन रेट बढ़ गया, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट रेट कम हुआ. ये अभी शॉर्ट रन के लिए जो मूवमेंट दिखाया, इट इज सेम मूवमेंट. ओके, बट व्हेन इन्फ्लेशन रेट्स विल गो हाई, laborers will ask for more wages. Unemployment rate कम हुआ है. Paying high wages to additional worker will become not very affordable. Slowly, demand for labor will decline and movement will happen from point B to point C, which is lying on short run Phillips curve for time period 3. Movement कैसे हुआ है देखो, from A to B and B to C. Zigzag movement has happened. Okay, temporary decline हुआ है unemployment rate में. As I moved from A to B, unemployment rate went low. But again we are back to C point. Okay, so A and C unemployment rate is same, which is natural rate of unemployment. So temporary decline हुआ unemployment rate में, but we are back to this level. Okay, again same thing will happen. If I am at C, temporary decline will happen. I will move to some point, then again I will come back to the curve. So ये zigzag movement होगा, but we are back to the original curve, original level of unemployment in long run period. Long run में क्या होता है? Long run में only inflation rate goes high, whereas unemployment rate remains at this natural level. So what is the slope of long run Phillips curve? It is vertical straight line. It is vertical straight line. That means in long run only price will rise. Unemployment rate will come back to the natural level again and again. You imagine price of any commodity that you were paying for, pen, pencil or any eatables before 10 years and what you are paying now. You will find there is a lot of difference. So price बढ़ रहा है, unemployment rate temporarily it is declining, but we are back to the original level. So short run Phillips curve shows inverse relation between these two variables, but in long run inflation rate only will rise with unemployment rate being back to the natural level, and therefore long run Phillips curve is vertical straight line. So in this video we covered concept of Phillips curve for short run and long run period. Thank you.